I will be explaining the issues in the design of a code generator. A code generator is a circular part of a compiler that converts the intermediate representation of a source code into machine reliable instruction. Its main task is to produce to correct and efficient code that can be executed by a computer. The design of a code generator should ensure that it is easy to implement, test, and maintain. Desi- Designing effective code information involves several key issues. There include managing the input to the code generator, creating the appropriate target program, headlining memory efficiently, selection suitable instruction, allocating register effectively, and determining the order of evaluation. However, there are several issues that can areas in code generation phase. Input the code generator. The input the input to the code generator comes from the intermediate code generator by the compiler's front end front end. This intermediate code is usually a higher level representation of the program, like triples, quadruples, or abstract syntax tree. Along with this intermediate code, the code generator also uses information from the symbol table, which holds on addresses of variables and other data objects. One key challenges here is the input must be free from syntax and semantic error, as the code generator assumes that proper type checking and other error checks have already been handling by the front end. Handling the input correctly in circular form, generating the correct target code. This is structure of position of code generator. Source program, front end, intermediate code, code optimizer, intermediate code, code generator. Last is target program. Code generator and front end is similar to symbol tree table. Target program. The target program is the final output of the code generator, which can be is the from a absolute machine learning, relatable machine language, or assembly language. Each type of output has its own set of challenges. Absolute machine language is easy to execute but lacks flexibility because it is a bound of specific memory location. Relocable machine language allows parts of the program to be moved around in memory, making it suitable for linking multiple modules, but it requires a linking loader and thus some has overhead. Assembly language is a symbolic and needs an additional steps an assembler to convert into machine code, but it makes the code generation process easier. Choosing the appropriate from the target program depends on factors such as the program's needs, execution environment, and whether the program will be liked with other modules. L1, L2, L3, L4, L5. L1 moves memory management. Memory management is the code generation phase, involves mapping variable names to their corresponding memory locations. The code generator works closely with the front end to access the symbol table where memory address for variables are stored. A major challenge is in ensure that the code generator use memory efficiently, avoid memory conflict, and correctly handles dynamic memory allocation. This requires carefully handling of variable stages, particular for dynamically allocated object or large data structure such as arrays or objects in object oriented language. Memory management structure are organized in two levels: hardware, operating system, and applications. Hardware level management includes the memory management units, which translate logical addresses to physical addresses. Operating system memory management handles memory allocation, delocation, and protection between process. Application level memory management, how individual programs manage their memory use. Register, cache, main memory, electronic disks, magnetic disks, optical disks, and magnetic tapes. Instruction selection. Instruction selection is the process of choosing the most suitable machine instruction to translate intermediate code into executable code. The goal is to optimize the generated code by the selection instruction that are efficient and appropriate the target machine. If the right instruction are not selected, the results code can be efficient and slow. A code generator might need to uh, dis, di, dis, need to decide between different ways to implementing the same operation, such as using different addressing mode or optimizing for processing specific features. For example, the respective tree's address statements would be translated into the later code sequence and shown below. There are three addresses code: P is equal Q plus R, S is equal P plus T. Assembly code interfacing. Here the fourth statement is redundant as the value of P is loaded. Again is the statement that just has been stored in the previous statement. It loads to the insufficient code sequence. Assembly code efficient. A given intermediate representation can be translated into many code sequence with significant code differentiate between the different implementation. Prior knowledge of instructions code is needed in order to design good sequence, but accurate cost information is difficult to predict. Register allocation issues. Efficient use to register is important because registers are faster than memory, and utilization then efficient can significantly improve program performance. The challenges lies is selecting the right variables to store the register to different points in the program. Register allocation involves two stages. First is register allocation, second is register assignment. Register allocation is selecting which variables we write in the register at each points in the program. Second one, register assignment. Register assignment is a specific register to those variables selected in register allocation. The difficult areas, the managing which variables are allocated to register, specifically when the number of variables registered in the limited. Poor register allocation can lead to spill where data is temporarily stored in memory. Casual, slower performance. Disadvantages of a code generator. Limited flexibility. Code generators are typically designed to produce a specified type of code, and a result they may not be flexible enough to handle a wide range of inputs to generate code the different target platforms. This can limit the usefulness of the code generator in certain situations. Maintenance overhead. Code generators can add the significant maintenance overhead to the project as they need to manipulated and the uploaded alongside the code they generate. This can lead of additional complexity and potential error. Debugging difficulties. Debugging generator code can be more difficult than debugging hard writing code, as the generated code may not always be easy to read or understanding. This can make it hard to define and fix issues the areas during development. Performance issues. Depending on the complexity of the code beginning generator, a code generator may not be able to generate optimal code that is as performant as handwriting code. This can be a concern of application where performance is critical. Approach of the code generation issues. Correctness. The code generator must generate code that actually refers the logic of the source program. Any errors can lead to incorrect behaves on catches. Maintainability. The code generator should be easy to maintain and update. The programming language evolve a modular decision and clear code are key of achievement this. Testability. It must be easy to test and generated code ensure correctness. Regular testing helps catch issues earlier and guarantees the generate producer reliable output. Efficiency. The code generator must produce optimized machine code that runs quickly and uses memory efficiently, balancing performance with resource contents. Thank you.